This Remax Equity Group property video is presented by Sharon Alexander. Super nice 4-bedroom home in a great Sandy location within walking distance to downtown Sandy with its restaurants, shopping, library and much more. Spacious floor plan with a huge great room that flows into a large dining room and great kitchen with newer appliances. Master suite has a full bath with a garden tub, Dbl Sinks and a skylight. 3 additional bedrooms at the other end of the home share a remodeled Bath.Large Deck Great for entertaining or relaxing with a good book. Shop area 2. For more information, review the details below or contact Sharon Alexander at 503-666-2020.